Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about how to make $7,200 a month cold calling contractors, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to make some money. I know you guys want to make money. It's really simple, okay? Social media marketing is a simple business. Grab a pen and a piece of paper, watch this video all the way through, watch it multiple times. And I'm gonna give you guys some golden nuggets to help you put money in your pocket. A lot of people are making this thing too hard, okay? There's business owners everywhere waiting for you to pick up the phone and call them, okay? But a lot of you guys are just too afraid to do what's necessary to be successful, okay? You could actually make more than $7,200 a month, but that'll be enough money to get you guys out of debt. That'll be enough money to help you guys pay your bills, car payments, and get you out of a dead-end job, because most of you guys aren't making $7,200 a month on your job, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys just 3 steps, literally, to just really crush it in social media marketing, only going after contractors. Now, contractors encompass roofers, painters, tree companies, bathroom, kitchen remodel, hardwood floor, all these type of contractors, okay? These guys make a lot of money. You can easily charge them $1,500 to $2,000 a month, okay? Write that down. You can easily charge them $1,500 to $2,500 per month. So that means you only need 3 clients, okay? You get 3 clients paying you 2 G's, that's $6,000, okay? You get 4, then that's $8,000, okay? And if you do 1,500, then that's another 5 to 6. So you do the math on what you want to make, okay? But all you got to do, ladies and gentlemen, is really simple, is that you got to set a goal. That's very important, okay? So we want to set a goal to generate $7,200 a month. We want to charge the clients, $1,500 to $2,500 every single month, okay? The strategy is this, okay? You guys know cold calling is the fastest way to get your first client, okay? Let me say that again. Cold calling is the fastest way to get clients, or to get your first client, okay? I know most people think that, cold calling is outdated, it doesn't work, but that's far from the truth, okay? I've made multiple 6 figures making cold calls, teaching people how to make cold calls, okay? This stuff flat out works, okay? And if you don't believe it, you guys can scroll my YouTube channel and see all my cold calling videos and all the clients and stuff that I do have, okay? So anyway, we got to set a goal. So we're going to make $7,200 a month. It's going to take some work, okay? That's something that most people don't want to do. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want something for nothing, you might as well click off this video right now, okay? Because that's not it. You're not just going to get $7,200 magically in your mailbox every month by chilling, watching YouTube videos and Facebook and scrolling IG. You're not going to get it that way. You got to go to work, okay? So simple, okay? We're going to target contractors. So first thing we want to do, we could go to Google, we could go to Yelp. I'm just on Google right now. I'm not going to go to Yelp and Facebook, all the other places you can find, Craigslist, you can find businesses, okay? For the sake of this training, all we're going to do is something simple, okay? We're going to set a goal. We want to hit $7,200 a month. Write that down. The next thing we're going to do, I'm just giving you guys a simple blueprint to put $7,200 in your pocket in the next 30 days, okay? Calling just contractors only, all right? Just general contractors, all right? So we got to go $7,200. We're going to set aside an hour a day. We're going to call these contractors. What do we say? Simple. Click the link in the description. Grab the ICP course. I give you scripts and rebuttals. You want to make $7,200, but you want to invest in yourself? Selling yourself a false dream, folks. It take money to make money. Okay, if you don't want to invest in yourself, click off this channel. Okay, all right? It costs money to start businesses. Tell me somebody that started a business without investing something, ladies and gentlemen. It's not true. Yeah, you can come up with the ideals and you may start with limited capital, and that's fine. But ladies and gentlemen, the people that really rise to the top, those are the people that are willing to sacrifice in all areas: time, energy, and money. Time, energy, and money. You need those three components. Without those three components, ladies and gentlemen, it's impossible to get rich, okay? It's impossible. The energy comes with the work, the time, okay? You got to put in time. You got to give it time to work, all right? A lot of you guys flat out suck at business, okay? I sucked at business, but I didn't give up. I was able to endure long enough. You know, I went from a job to a business to making six figures. Why? Because I gave it time, I put forth the energy, and I invested. 98% of the people on the internet don't make money, and I guarantee 9 of them say, I can't afford that course. I'm not spending all that money. It's a scam. But yet Uncle Maurice is making six figures part-time in SMMA, multiple six figures, okay? All right, so let's debunk all that. Get rid of the negativity too, gang. A lot of you guys are just too negative to be involved with business. Okay, you got to be positive. Napoleon Hill talks about a success conscious. You got to have a success conscious, a money conscious if you want to make money. Think about it. Most people want to make money, but they got a broke conscience. And the reason why they don't make money is because their conscience is broke. How is it that you want to make six figures a year, but when you see a course or training or something that's going to help you make six figures or $10,000 a month, you can't afford it or you don't want to invest in it? Ladies and gentlemen, you can't afford not to invest in it. You want to make money, but you don't want to invest money to make money? That don't make sense. You need to get a job. I hate to say that, gang, but that's what you need to do, okay? So anyway, 3 steps, all right? We got our goal. The next thing we do is contact contractors, okay? And we're going to use the phone method on this, okay? Because I want to get you guys from where you are now, 0, no clients, to $7,200, okay? So you are going to need the scripts and stuff like that. And like I said, if you guys are interested, if you just want to bum my channel, you guys know I give out a lot of value. You can listen to what I say and you can do it that way if you don't have any money. But if you really are serious about making money, get the course, get the scripts, and go through it and just follow this process, okay? And then we're going to just reach out to some contractors. You're going to probably need to contact about, if it's a new person, I would say about 40 to 50 businesses a day, okay? Out of that, you should be able to book 2 to 3 appointments, okay? If it takes more, do more, okay? What you lack in skills, you make up in numbers, okay? And you don't give up. You don't leave your room. You lock yourself in your room, ladies and gentlemen, and you go to work. You go beast mode, all right? Go beast mode. So you get the contractors. We're going to just click on a contractor so you guys can kind of see. So we got this roofing company here. All right, so I'm going to find his phone number. His phone number is right here at the top. I'm going to dial that number on my cell phone, and I'm going to pick up the phone and call this roofing guy. Let me see if there's a name. There's no name, okay? And that's fine, all right? If a secretary asks, I'll just say, what's the best time to contact the business owner, and I'm off to the next. If he picks up the phone, you guys already know, John, are you interested in generating some roofing leads for your business? You do that 40 to 50 times, ladies and gentlemen, a day for the next 30 to 60 days, all right? You just want to call these contractors. You're not trying to sell them nothing. You want to send them some information. You can put together a simple PDF. I have a presentation I send. If you guys want that, you can also get that in a course, and you can send them that presentation. They can watch it. Most of the times they don't watch it anyway, but I'm just giving you guys the process. This is all you got to do. You call these business owners. Yes, they're going to say no. All right, so what? You're trying to hit $10,000 a month. A no's not going to hurt you. You're not going to be wounded or shot or dead, okay? So you call these business owners. This is another company I know. They probably spend a lot of money, so you guys didn't even call them. But anyway, I'll call the next guy. All right. Hey, John. Yeah, this is Maurice. I found your ad online. Had a quick question for you. Are you interested in generating some roofing leads for your business? Boom. You say that 40 to 50 times a day, ladies and gentlemen. Book the appointment. Send them some information. You can set up a PDF. 5 reasons why you should be marketing online, how you can generate them more phone calls and customers. Something simple. Or you can even do a presentation along that framework. Okay. And that's it. And you do that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for the next 30 to 90 days, okay? And I can almost guarantee you're going to get good. Your skills are going to improve. You're going to get comfortable with making cold calls, okay? And you're going to be a flat out beast. You're going to start making money because that's what happened to me. I didn't quit. I didn't give up. Now, you guys see how I'm just hitting all these businesses, all these websites, ladies and gentlemen? This is what you do, okay? This is what you do, all right? And then you could go to other niches. General contractors, painting contractors. And there's so many. You can start in your local area, all right? And you just call them, send them the information. Once you send them the information, you want to follow back up with them. Hey, this is Maurice. I called you the other day. Did you get a chance to take a look at the information I sent you? No, I didn't, Maurice. Okay, do you got about 10 minutes right now so I can explain my program to you? I don't have time to wait. You see what I'm saying? I'm going to go into it. And so I'm just going to go right into my spiel on why and how to close. There's 10 things I do. This is my close. A lot of you guys say, Maurice, how do you close them? Simple. It's 10 questions I ask them. And that's why I was telling you guys, get the course. I give you the 10 questions that I ask the business owner, okay? And it's just simple stuff about their business, how long they've been in business, are they doing marketing, do they need more, can they handle more leads? What are their pain points? Stuff like that. I'm gathering information so I know if there's a need. Here's the thing, folks. If you get a business owner that doesn't have a need, okay, doesn't want it, doesn't have the money, can't afford it, or whatever the case may be, you're not going to close them, okay? You're looking for businesses that are looking for you, okay, that have a pain point. If there's no pain point, I don't do jiu-jitsu on clients, okay? I'm looking for clients that have a need, okay, and they're willing to invest to fix that need. Write that down. They have a need and they're willing to invest to fix that need. If they don't have those things, I'm on to the next. There's too many business owners that want their phone blowed up. They want calls and customers. And those are the ones I'm looking for. So closing is simple. It's the prospecting part that you guys are not mastering. Master prospecting. Closing becomes simple. My closing is simple. When I get on the phone to close, I'm on there for about 5 or 10 minutes. I'm collecting credit card and I'm on to the next and I'm doing the intake and I'm getting them set up and start generating them phone calls. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you make $7,200 a month. You set a goal, you get in here, you get on Google, you get on Yelp. There's Yelp right here. And you scroll through and you start calling them. Okay, now a lot of you guys will look at this and say, yeah, Maurice, that's nice. But until you do anything, ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to make any money. The $7,200 is not going to show up in your mailbox. When you do the work, the $7,200 will show up. Comment below, Maurice, I understand. The $7,200 is going to show up in my mailbox because I'm going to do the work. That's the common denominator. That's why 98% of the people don't make money is because they don't do the work. And if you don't do the work, the money will never show up in your bank account. And I want the money to show up in you guys' bank account, okay? So gang, that's it. That's how you make $7,200 a month. It's a simple process. You set aside the time, you pick up the phone, you go to work, you call all the contractors that I listed, and you're gonna get beat up. It's gonna be hard a little bit. You're gonna have people to tell you no, but you keep going. You don't stop until you hit $7,200 a month, okay? You get the course. And if you need help, get a coach. Whatever you need to do, you do it. Okay? Because that's what successful people do. Successful people do what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. That's why I'm successful, and that's why other people aren't. Because I'm willing to do what they won't do. And so that's why I got what they don't got. And that's why I have what they will never have, because I do the activity. That's what makes people successful. Okay? So gang, that's it. Comment below. Let me know what you think, what you thought about this. Make sure you guys comment below. Maurice, the $7,200 is going to show up in my bank account. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. You're not a subscriber, subscribe. Uncle Maurice puts out fire like this for you guys on the regular. All right? And if you need help, click the links in the description. You guys can grab the courses and you can get help if you need me to do a strategy session or coaching, one-on-one coaching. I will see you guys at the next one. Bye for now.